Well, welcome back, everybody. This is Bear at Bear's Rod Shop, and we're in our little paint booth area, which is part of the old church. That's where we paint all our miscellaneous parts. So today is going to be a kind of a mixed video. We have been working the last couple of days with all the rain, cleaning up a lot of the C3 Corvette parts and along with our CJ5. So it's hard to title this as being either one. So anyhow, I thought I'd show you so you viewers out there will think we're not loafing and pooping off. Poofing off. Oh, that sounds good. Anyhow, this is going to be kind of a little short video, and we'll show you all the parts and stuff off the CJ3. They're hanging out here now. They hours and hours of cleaning, dipping, sandblasting, etc. And some of the CJ parts. So let me turn the camera around, and we will try to show you where we've been this week. And so you will think that we're not loafing. Sounds good? All right, let's turn around. This is the intake. It was all acid dipped and stripped. It's clean. We actually bored out inside, got all the carbon out of it, if I'm giving you a good view of it. And it's going to go into a hot ceramic paint, and that's for the CJ. Then we'll go over here and we got the shackles, some of this stuff for the leaf springs. This is all CJ, if I'm holding the camera right, the CJ. And then numerous parts already have been done. Let's see if we can tip the camera right. Door hinges for the C3 76 Corvette hinges, hood latches, miscellaneous parts. And so, anyhow, we'll turn this back around. We have more on our plate than we normally an old person should have, and I got about 4 or 5 interior jobs to do. But we want our viewers to know that we're not loafing, and the CJ should continue along with the C3 Corvette. And we're also trying to sell a really nice YJ 1990 YJ Jeep, 141,000 miles, and we should be posting it soon, because the CJ seems to be costing a lot more than we want. Love to keep the Jeep. Can't keep all of them. Not on our budget. But anyhow, please thumbs up, subscribe. Hope y'all watched that video 1, 2, and 3, as we were privileged to pull out that we didn't pull it out, as the Mach 1 Boss 428 came out of that old shed after 40 years. Please, also on that video, it was terrible. Literally, it was terrible. The day I filmed that, I could not walk down. My bride had to walk down and video that, but that was a rare piece of Ford history, seeing that come out of that shed after 40 years. And I apologize. I didn't have enough info on the car. The owner was kind of a real hush-hush about it, but we got the privilege, a super privilege, to film that, and hope you guys will like it on our channel. So please, again, yes, I did wash the thumb. Thumbs up, subscribe. We'll do the darndest to answer your comments, good or bad, But come back and visit, and we are going to continue on the CJ, since now it's all in epoxy primer. We don't have a whole lot of window left. You know, so I have to scuff it all up to paint it. But we're working on the little 4-cylinder Hurricane motor now, and also the leaf springs, rear end, etc., tearing them down. And we'll try to get these videos out in a prompt manner. Come back again, please, and visit. Share. We love your subscriptions. And help us grow. Catch you on the next one.